Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Christmas card in Fish It game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas event update has been dropped in Fish It, and in this latest update, you will be able to get this Christmas card. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get this card. Wait, let me talk to the gingerbread man, and I'm going to select the Christmas quest. Okay, and if you want to get the Christmas card as reward, we need to complete the Christmas celebration quest. Okay, you can find it here guys. Okay, this is the Christmas celebration. You need to exchange 100% at the gift factory and catch 300 fish at Christmas Island. And the last one, you need to catch 150 fish at Christmas Cave. And this is the reward, the Christmas card. And I'm still working on it, guys. I haven't unlocked this item yet, but I'm still working for it. And I think the mission is not that hard, except the exchanging 100% at the gift factory, because it's pretty hard to get the percents. But yeah, we can try. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Christmas card in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.